When XR technology is applied to industrial work, teams can move from design data to immersive review faster than ever before. Instead of building multiple physical prototypes during the product development process, teams can now explore design changes, simulations, and validations directly within immersive XR environments. Real-world conditions can be simulated quickly, enabling realistic test scenarios that are difficult to reproduce in the physical world. For large-scale infrastructure and industrial projects, XR allows teams to visualize entire structures, place and validate equipment accurately, and simulate operational workflows at full scale. Byond R delivers this experience through a SaaS platform designed for everyday industrial workflows. Once design data is uploaded, it is automatically converted into an XR-ready format, dramatically simplifying the entire process. By integrating generative AI into the workflow, Byond R dramatically reduces production time and operational cost. AI-powered animation generation allows teams to quickly visualize motion, interaction, and driving scenarios with minimal effort. Tasks that once required time-consuming material production and comparison workflows can now be completed within minutes. AI material mapping enables teams to create presentation-ready results faster and compare material design options with greater speed and clarity. From design and validation to collaboration, Byond R connects the entire industrial workflow through XR SaaS. Byond R by Byond R. Beyond reality.